How to make photo collage on iPhone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a photo collage just like this on your iPhone without having to download any third-party apps or use anything other than your iPhone. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So we can easily do this on our iPhone using the Shortcuts app. And this is a default app built into every iPhone. And to open it, you just need to swipe from right to left till you get to the app library, then just search Shortcuts at the top. You'll see it come up. Go ahead and open it up. And once you get here, go to the bottom, select Gallery, and then just search Photo Grid. You'll see Photo Grid come up. Once Photo Grid comes up, select the plus symbol on it. Once you see the check mark, go ahead and select Cancel, and we can then select Shortcuts in the bottom menu to go back to the main screen of the Shortcuts app. From there, you'll see Photo Grid added to your Shortcuts app. Go ahead and select it. It'll then open up the available photos on your iPhone, and you just need to select the photos you want to add to a collage. You can add as many as you want, as far as I've seen. So I'll just go ahead and add 4, and then select Add. Give it some time to load, and then it will show you the collage. Once you see the collage created here, select the share button in the bottom of the app, and then you can either send it to an app if you want to post it on Instagram, Facebook, something like that, or if you want to save it to the gallery on your phone, select Save Image. And then when you go back to the photos on your phone, you'll see it saved right there. That's the one we just created. All right, so that's how you make a collage on iPhone. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel.